Hi, this is Abdulaziz Khan, and in this video, we will see feature of Filmora, which may be good in many of the situations. If you have a video for which you want to reduce speed of the video or increase the speed of the video at some specific moment, because, like for example, like we see sometimes in the films that on some very action kind of places, the speed is either increased or decreased to give the user some kind of excitement or thrill. So, like I have this one video. If you see, these are some kids which are going down a hill. So we can control this in whatever way you want. We can make a very detailed control, or we can make a kind of specific control. So if you load a video, I have this video in my video bar. I will here. Okay. So for this video, I want to control the speed of the video at some specific time. So if you see here in this video, we have option of speed. So if I go in the option of speed, there is a uniform speed option, then there is a speed ramping option. So I will go on speed ramping option. So now if you see here, you have some specific set templates as well. Like you can make a template of this or flash in or flash out, or you can customize it as per your own understanding of the video. So currently, if you see here in the customization, they have provided you 3 points. And if you see on the right side, so I can either enhance the speed by 10 times or reduce the speed by 10 times, like 0.1x to 10x. So these are the markers on, if like I click here, so I can see that this marker will work on exactly what place. If I reach to this place and I want to have some specific thing, then I can add a marker here with this plus option. So a marker will be added and I can make it like a freezing timer. So like I can make it to freeze for half second. So this point will be frozen for half second. And if you see here, as soon as I added this, in the total time of the video, half seconds are added, because you can see that if it will be stopped for half a second, so total film will increase by half a second. And in the same way, if I, for example, if I make it faster here, so you see now the total time has decreased, because for this part, it starts from almost this location and end on this location. It will be fast and then it will come to a normal thing. So this will decrease the total time to 26 seconds. And for example, if I at this place again, I add some frozen time. So again, this will add some time to this picture. I can make it here as well. You can take any marker up or down, and it will always make a kind of a certain wave. Like if you take it down, then from one side it will take it down, the other side will again go up. And if you take it up, the reverse will happen. So you can control it in any way. And if you want more control, then you can add these markers, and then you can make a very specific control on your video, where it will go fast and where it will go slow. So here we can see that the video has been squeezed a lot, and because I had separated the audio, because I don't want to put the audio in it, so the audio is detached. Otherwise, the audio should have been with the video, and the audio should also be changed. So now we can see the back speed is there. So if you see here, it was frozen and then it become very fast and then froze again and then fast and slow. So you see that how much great control we have, because the voice is still there, so that's why it is running. Otherwise video is basically finished. So I hope that this small introduction to the speed control of Filmora will give you some good idea. Video was also good for making these kind of things. Otherwise, normally the car racing and or these kind of videos are more better to make speed control. So I hope you will like it. Let's meet in some other future video. So goodbye.